I'm going to do noodle and tomato savory. It's something different. So we will see how we are going to make this noodle and tomato savory. Noodles have to be first boiled. How do you boil it? Not like pasta. Put it into a bowl, the noodles, don't break it, put it into a bowl, pour boiling water and keep for 3 minutes only. Then strain it, wash it nicely, there is starch in it, wash all that very well, and in a running water you have to wash and then strain it, keep it for a little while for the water to drain. Then it's ready. We are going to make noodle and tomato savory. First thing I am going to put a little oil. Then we have to use the butter. Butter also goes here because of the noodles. Slowly, let it get melted slowly. I am adding the noodles now into the bowl. Stir fry this a little. Now you can see what I am going to do. A little salt and a little pepper. Salt and pepper should get nicely blended along with that. Then make a small space in the middle. I have taken 2 eggs and I put a little pepper and salt for that also. Put it in the middle. Slowly, slowly, slowly mix it along with that. Egg has got cooked and it's ready. Now we will take it off. I have taken a Pyrex dish, butter it. I am going to put half the quantity into that first. And half I have kept it here. Half is there, half is in the pan yet. So we are going to do something else here. Put the other pan, put a little oil and butter again. More than the oil, I need butter. Now what I am going to do is, I am going to put the onion, shredded onions first and slightly stir fry. Now I will add the tomatoes. You can see the tomatoes. I need a lot of tomatoes. So I have put the tomatoes also shredded. Salt, pepper, a bit of turmeric. That's enough. Now we don't want to cook for a long time. That's ready. Now we are going back to the noodles. Okay, we are going back to the noodles. These are actually, to tell you the truth, these are my favorite things that I show you so that you too will enjoy preparing all this. This is cheese I am adding, cheese. Then what I am doing is, over this, the balanced noodles we will put. Over that, a little more cheese I can put it. Now what I am going to do is, I am going to take this meat, boil minced meat. Boil minced meat, I put it. Boil and mince the meat and use it. Slightly stir this using the stock, chicken stock. Boil this nicely. Meat I have already stir fried. Now we are adding the stock. Stock, of course, there is a little salt, so we don't have to put much of salt, but I prefer to use a little chili powder, my favorite chili powder, which I have to use, a little bit of turmeric, and of course I'll use a little chili pieces also, a tablespoon of milk. Corn flour, 1.5. Pour it into this. Lastly, I prefer to use a little mustard cream. Mustard Now this sauce is ready. Put the sauce on top of the noodles. Now we have done everything. Now what I would prefer is just for 10 minutes keep it in the oven. We are going to bake this for 180 centigrades, 360 Fahrenheit, only for 10 minutes. Bake it and take so that it will be nice. Before that, what I want you to do is just put a little butter on top. Lovely. Now I will bake this 10 minutes in a moderate temperature. Though we are decorating with parsley and everything, parsley is also to be taken. Don't forget, you have to eat the parsley also along with the noodle and tomato savory. How does it look? I am sure you will like it because more than the look, the taste is there. So you try it out and see how it comes because it's something really nice. Next week with another episode, very soon I will come and show you another tasty preparation. Bye from me now till you meet you again.